Well.
Record. Ow.
Ow. What in the... What is this?
I'm the star of your channel.
What? Who said you're the star?
Yeah.
Goodness gracious.
I have lots of comments.
Yeah, I know. I read them. They like you better than they like me at this point.
Yeah. Hi.
That's what we're working on today. So this unit is a 1984 Elcomino. See, it's the fancy, some Mexican word in there that describes, you know, it's two-tone, right? We are changing the gas tank on it because the old gas tank leaks. You know, it's like every 80s gas tank does, basically. The exact same thing my Cutlass did. Just right as soon as the tank gets to half full, then, you know, well, let's crawl under there and see what we got. Yeah, it's kind of hard to distinguish exactly where the leak is coming from, but yeah, we got a new tank on the way. It's coming tomorrow, but we're just getting this one out today, nice and empty, so that hopefully, you know, fingers crossed, when we get the new tank, it'll just be simple, you know, back up there. We got them soaking with a little bit of PB Blaster here, so it's just literally just, yeah, went over there, straps come down, we lower the jack, and the whole thing will come out. I'm not exactly sure where the, can you tell me where the sending unit and all that? Yeah. Oh, there's a wire there. Where's that wire go? Right around there. Okay, sweet. That's a ground to something. Yeah, we'll have to get the fuel line off and the wire to the fuel gauge off, but then it'll come right out. Well, wouldn't you know it, the older tool does not, or the newer tool rather, does not want to fit on here quite as nicely as the older one does. Yet again, another reason why old tools are just, oh yeah, look at that. Perfect. That's why the old stuff is way better. It just always works better. For whatever reason. Oh, like butter. It's coming out. No problem. Perfect. Yeah. They're out now. That was a pain in the ass. Alright, so I went through the pain of getting the stupid ring off, because that was also not fun. Now we gotta get the rest of the gas out. So we got a gas can here, but it's already full of gas. So I gotta find a place to put this gas so I can siphon out that gas into this can. There we go. That should work just fine. Alright, gonna get every last drop in there. Alright. I don't think he'll mind. Alright, well, we got her all emptied out now, and it's about, you know, 4.7293 gallons left in her, so really when the, you know, when it says E, you still got about 4.5 gallons to go yet, and depending on how much miles per gallon that thing gets, you might get a few more miles out of her. That's good to know. Although I don't think he does the same things I do. Okay, so, well, now I gotta find a place to put this gas tank. noticed that for a while. Hey, what the heck? These are mine. How did these get thrown back here? Jeez, you can't trust nobody. Well, that's, you know, yeah, that's done now. Well, I think that's it for now. All we can do. So, until the tank comes in tomorrow anyway. So, I'll catch you then. Catch you next time.